Hello guys, Sam from the Body Centre here. We are now going to walk you around this absolutely awesome VW Crafter. It's a long wheelbase, it's for a very good customer of ours, and it's now been converted into a motocross motorhome. I will show you some pictures of before because it is completely different. And as you can see now, it looks brilliant, but before it was in a real state. So moving to the front end, as you can see, we've color coded the whole van. So the bumpers have been repainted, leaving the matte black section in the middle of the bumpers. We fitted a lower splitter, repainted the grille, put the red pin line around the top of the grille. We've then fitted the bonnet brass spoiler. We've then fitted the roof screen spoiler. The front screen has been wrapped in a real cool tint. That looks awesome. We've fitted these lovely wheels to the vehicle. We've then repainted the calipers in a high gloss red as well. The side steps have been fitted onto the vehicle. We've then fitted the side canopy up the top, so obviously that can pull out. And you can have obviously your area track side with all your equipment on the underside as well. Moving around to the back. Again, colour coordinated all down the sides. Rear bumper's been done. We've got a spare wheel holder ready for the spare wheel to go on there. We've also fitted the top roof box. So in the bedding in the back, you've got a lot more headspace in the back there now. Let's take you for a tour on the inside. This is the fun bit. There we go. So we have a small little picnic table here. This can be pulled out. So when you're sat on the bench here, you've got a little table. We have the screen, TV screen. This is a pull-out bed. So this pulls out onto the floor. We then have the kitchen. So we've got the oven, the hob. Got a small little sink here as well. So this can be popped up. Use that as your sink. More storage in the under compartment there. We've then got a fridge down here. Then got storage cabinets. We have a small little bathroom, toilet, shower. And then moving into the back section here, it's not cleared out yet, but we've got the ladder to get up into the bedding. As you can see, a little skylight up there as well. Lovely padding on the side, lovely Alcantara roof liner. And then if we go back outside, underneath this bed, I will now show you. These front seats, they also spin round as well, so they can be spun round, so you can then have lovely communal area with the race team. And then moving on to the back, this is where the bikes are then stored. Just open that door. So in the back here, get the two motocross bikes in the back. Obviously we've got the screen box there that can go away back to the customer. But yeah, how cool does this look? Hope you enjoyed this walk round, guys. We'll obviously be posting loads of pictures on this, so there's a lot more to see. And we'll see you next time.